working back for another video on a DIY electrical project. Today I'll be replacing a light switch that currently is not working, or works, but as you can see, just touching it, light flickers. So I need to replace this switch. So let's begin and show you how to replace it. To begin, we'll start off by shutting the breaker so we have no power, so you don't electrocute yourself. So here we go. So first we're going to start off with taking the plate off using my screwdriver. These are flat screws. Okay, now that the plate is off, I'm going to replace the switch. I'm going to unscrew the switch from the wall. Long screwdriver. You can use the number 1 Robbie. Holy! As you can see, the light switch is busted right apart. Wow. And you can test for power by using a fluke meter or any other to see if there's any power here. And there's none. Or just by the light going out. Okay, so now that the light switch is off, usually the wire on the bottom is your hot wire. So when your light switch is off, you got power to the bottom, and when you turn it on, it'll put power to your top wire, which in turn goes to your light. So it's a simple, loosen the screws. The 2 gold screws. Now you're just going to put this loop around the bottom. Forgot to show you is you're going to turn so it's clockwise. So when you tighten your screw, it'll tighten with it. So now you can see the loop is going counterclockwise, and as I tighten it, and it's simple as that. Now you're just gonna screw it back in to the wall, and away you go. Okay, and now we'll go put the breaker on, and there you go. That's your off. So again, everyone, that's a simple DIY replacement of a light switch. If you have any questions or comments, please list them below. Other than that, I'll see you again next time.